Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Victorian cough syrup ingredients were a curious blend of the familiar and the peculiar. Common components included morphine, alcohol, and chloroform, alongside more benign ingredients like honey and lemon. Herbs and opiates were also frequent additions, believed to suppress coughing and relieve pain. Due to the potency and potential risks of these ingredients, modern medicine has since evolved to offer safer, more effective treatments.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.